This is Stephen, and this question is testing whether or not you understand what can and can't go into the denominator of a fraction. So the question reads, what value or values of x does x squared minus 25 over x plus 2 times x minus 3 equal 0? So the first thing you need to note is that this, whatever goes on down here, cannot create some sort of 0. Because if it does, then your answer is undefined. So looking at our values x plus 2 and x minus 3, because we can say if one of them is 0, that makes the answer 0, the denominator. So we need to figure out what does make them 0 in both cases. So if x plus 2 is equal to 0, we're saying that x is negative 2 in this case. So we don't want to find negative 2 is not one of our answers. The same thing is true here. So x minus 3 is equal to 0. So plus 3, x is equal to 3. So we can't have 3 or negative 2 as one of our answer choices for this question. So we can knock out B and we can knock out D because of that fact. Now if we have 5 going on, that's okay because 5 plus 2 is 7, 5 minus 3 is 2, so that doesn't matter, those are okay. So we're looking at 5. So now we're looking at the top part. So if this is equal to 0, that does help our answer. So if we add 25 here plus 25 here, x squared is equal to 25. Take the square root on both sides to get rid of this power, and then x is equal to 5. But you're not done, because if you have positive 5 times positive 5, that equals 25. But the same is true for negative 5 times negative 5. That's also equal to 25. So make sure that you keep that in mind. If you ever square a number, it could be negative or positive. So answer choice C, where x is negative 5 and x is 5.